Woo! Gear Wave. What up, family? What up, family? We back out here. We came back out to the connector, man. The rain tried to come down and discourage us, but we came out anyway, man. It was calling us. So we out here today, man. Look at the backdrop. This is back from before pandemic time. We done came out here and we've been rocking with the connector for a while at Gear Wave. You can get to the Manhattan, the Bronx, Queens with this Bronx connector. It's just an awesome little park area. You're gonna see it right now as we go in and we go around. All right, just enjoy it, guys. Gear Wave, man. It's an awesome ride. As you can see, a lot of people, you have buses and stuff that come in here. Queens, Bronx, Manhattan. All right, you got access to all the boroughs. We vibing out to some Aaliyah real quick. Rest in peace, Aaliyah, 4-page letter. We got that bumping in the eardrum right now. And we just chilling, man. We enjoying a Sunday that's not raining. We've been getting a lot of rain on the damn East Coast. God bless it, though. But it's been affecting our outdoor activities. All right, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a look at this connector. We're gonna do this loop. We're gonna do this connector loop real quick, guys. Enjoy it. Gear Wave. The connector, baby. All right, really nice, brother. For my first time coming here back in April 2020, it's an awesome place to be. Wow, a lot of this stuff has grown in. This is all these flowers here. I don't think they were here. What's up, man? Got a little spot down there by the water, which is nice. Look at that. Oh my God. Woo! This is like almost like you're not in the Bronx. Look at that water, baby. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. You're just out here enjoying nature, man, enjoying life. Gear Wave, baby. Nice little loop. Over there is Astoria Park, guys. Astoria Park, you can see people out there on that side. You can literally swim across this. I'm surprised these guys don't make a nice little bridge from here to go right over there to Queens. That would be so awesome. A nice little road, like a nice little walkway. You could ride your bike, your scooter, whatever. NYC, Mayor Adams, let's think about that. Cheese. So nice out here, brother. Really a treat. Really a beautiful treat out here. just living life. You know what I'm saying? Cheese. Here and out actually on our way home had we not stopped. But that rain came down. We're like, okay, is he trying to tell us something or what? But alright, baby, we're on the other side of the connector. You can see the Manhattan skyline partially. It's a beautiful spot, the fields. Everybody getting their recreation in. This is a little path that we're on. You can sit out by the water, fish, barbecue, relax, sleep, chill with your wifey, read a book, bring your laptop out here, get some work done. It's a really, really nice space to be in the Bronx. Yes, King. Beautiful spot to be out in the BX, man. Really a good look. Look at my man Knock. He gonna wake up tomorrow. He gonna wake up tomorrow, y'all. That's how good it feel out here. By tomorrow, that humidity gonna drop, so it's gonna feel even better. Baby, it's Getaway, baby. We're just chilling out the connector. We're showing you the connector. In case you come up to the Bronx and you want a nice little park to chill out at, roll through, you can definitely do it. You know? Beautiful day. People just chilling out by the rocks, by the water. Well, these things is nourishment, man. A nourishment for the brain and the soul. Beautiful thing. Beautiful thing to get out. Everybody just chilling. It's not super crowded. It's not super crowded, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Sun trying to shine, baby. Keep it moving. We don't got a lot of battery. I just chilling. You know, we just chilling like a motherfucker. Barbecue area. Barbecue area. It says it right there. Could bring that barbecue and shit. What up, baby? What up, baby? You know? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day, man. Chilling on a dirt trail. We usually go up on the road trail. You know? That's it, baby. That's it, baby. Got the sea dudes out. Getaway, baby. We out on the Bronx Connector, man. Connecting Manhattan, Queens, and the Bronx. Whew. Just come out here and just chill. Whoever, and just woo, do your thing. This is so nice, man. Let's head home. If we do not want to get stranded with this baby, let's put it on one, because we don't know about the parameters. Sorry guys, on your left. Put it on one. We do not want to run out of freaking battery. Bunny, bunny. This is the connector, guys. You can go that way out too. You can also go this way. Right across the street We started. You got it, baby. You got it. Yeah, we started right over here. Bronx, Manhattan, Queens. Alright, guys. Getaway, thank you for joining us, baby. It's been fun. We're gonna head home.